I'm Mohit Berry, Business Development Manager for Smart Meters and Smart Grid products at Infineon Technologies. I'm going to discuss about a critical component of a smart meter, the switch mode power supply. As you may know, efficiency has been a key requirement for meter manufacturers. Basically, smart meters itself need to drain as minimum as possible power from the grid, since the cost of such energy is paid by the utility and not by the end consumer. So the meter manufacturers are beset by the problems like low efficiency and system reliability, keeping in mind the cost aspect. Understanding our customers' needs, Infineon introduces novel architectures which, in conjunction with our broad portfolio of CoolSet and CoolMOS devices, helps address these problems. Allow me to explain. If we consider a simplified schematic of a traditional implementation, we see the Cascode MOSFET Q2 requires a high voltage to turn on. The load current is used to turn off Cascode MOSFET Q2. During Cascode switch turn off, the load current is directed towards the high voltage Zener diode T1 that creates additional dissipation. Also, the turn off time is load dependent via the part T2, and important to add is that such implementation require expensive high voltage devices. In Infineon's first architecture for SMPS, called the active turn-off, the goal is to minimize the losses and the cost. So in this approach, the Cascode MOSFET Q2 does not require a high voltage and switch off via the transistor Q3, which leads to an active turn-off of MOSFET Q2 using low-cost small signal components. The Cascode high side Q2 does not require on the load dependency for the turn off, and an easy stacking of high voltage switches can be performed for very high bus input voltages. In the second architecture, which is the passive PFC with energy recycling, the high speed MOSFET Q2 driver does not require high voltage. During the high side switch turn off, the load current is directed to capacitor C1. Now that power is reused in the next switching cycle, and a power factor of greater than 90% can be achieved. The Universal Application Demo Board, as shown here, can be used to check the performance of the three topologies, which evinces the benefits of Infineon products over the traditional solution in terms of efficiency. Along with the board, Infineon provides the comprehensive board documentation and how to build different setup scenarios like for single phase or three phase application. Needless to say, customer-centric optimization can be performed on the same board by, for example, using an optimized transformer to yield further enhancement in efficiency. To summarize the key features, novel concept coupled with Infineon products offer substantial benefits over traditional solution where the efficiency of up to 90% can be reached. The combination of CoolSets and CoolMOS can be easily extendable to higher breakdown voltages reaching up to 1400 volt. Implementation is possible for all metering scenarios, that is single phase or three phase. Infineon solutions offer highest performance to cost ratio as it mitigates the need for expensive high voltage devices like the Zener diode. Flexible and configurable Universal Application Development Board allows quick customization to customers' needs, where the boards can be modified into reference designs, which facilitates faster time to market and lowers operational cost. Last but not the least, enhancement in efficiency acts as a unique selling point for Infineon customers. To elaborate more, what I mean is, typically the power consumed by the meter itself is not paid by end consumer. The utility bears the cost of such consumption, and if an SMPS and hence a meter saves, for example, 10% of power for say 5 million meter order, this calculates out to be around 0.5 megawatt of energy savings for the utility. Now that's a lot of saving. Therefore, Infineon solution helps customer to improve its bottom line. For more details, please contact Infineon regional sales team or your preferred distributor, and we would be happy to support you. For our web presence, please visit infineon.com/smartmeter. Thank you for your attention.